What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode. This would be episode number 4. And today we are going to be working on the frame. So we have some things to keep taking apart on the frame. We got to get some rubber grommets out, take that off, and finish up with the rear suspension. What I'm going to try to do is get this thing stripped down, get it kind of cleaned up, and get ready for to take the paint off of it, because we're going to be painting the frame black and the rear subframe. Something with the rear subframe is it seems to be a little twisted, and I don't know if you can tell or not, but it's a little twisted, so I got to try to straighten that out and clean everything up, and hopefully get ready for paint and keep moving forward with the project. I'm always learning new stuff, and pop that dust seal out of there, and in there is what looks to be some sort of stop or of nut, but anyway, it requires like a large hex head, which I got to measure and see if there's a special tool for it to get that out, because I want to replace the steering bearing in there. It feels, the steering bearing, I mean, you can feel that it's a little rough. There's probably, the races are either a little warped or something's going on, something's bent. But anyway, at least we can still continue with stripping everything down. We can still strip the paint while we wait on that, and just got to take the chain guide off of the back and some other odds and ends and start cleaning this up, and we'll be getting ready for paint. Well, we got this part as far as we can go. It's ready to get cleaned up, and we're going to go ahead and finish cleaning this up, and then see if we can at least bend the subframe close to where it needs to be. So had to make an executive decision. I decided to just replace the subframe. I looked on eBay, and hopefully it doesn't burn me. I've gotten burned in the past, but they're cheap enough on eBay that I just decided to get one off of eBay and go from there. It'll save me some time because trying to figure out where this thing needs to be bent, and I don't do framework, so it'll save me time just getting one off of eBay. And while we're waiting on that, we can take some other stuff apart. But this is pretty much ready to go. This is the underside, the guard underneath that obviously needs some work. It's bent in a few places and needs cleaned up. So moving on. So I figured out where this kit comes from. It's a Yamaha. It comes from Yamaha. I don't know if, I doubt that it came stock on the bike, but it's a pretty cool kit, and I had to bend out some stuff on it and all that kind of stuff, and so we'll definitely be able to reuse it. I'm going to be painting the guards blue, and the frame of the bike again is going to be black. The engine cases are going to be black, and then these guards are going to be blue. The wheels will be blue, and a few other things. Hopefully it'll be a decent color combination. So that's trash, and we're going to keep working on taking apart some more of these guards. They've got them on the A-arms, front A-arms and things like that. So we're just going to keep taking some stuff apart. Well, some of this stuff's pretty tough to get out, as you've seen. But you can't be tight if you're liquid. Liquid, I said. Easy. Well, that works. Well, we got a bunch of stuff done today. There is so much stuff laying around here, it's not even funny. So now we got everything, all the guards and everything off, so we got to get those cleaned up, like I said, and get ready for paint. And got to order some stuff from eBay. I think I might just break down and try to find a decent head on eBay. And obviously I gotta find a rear subframe for it and take care of that. We're almost to the point where we gotta start getting stuff done so we can get it back together. And that's pretty exciting. So thanks for watching episode 4, and we will see you next week.